Welcome to Physics with Akshay Gole in this video on electrostatics. Today we'll answer the question, what is the electric force between two small charged spheres? Let's start with our first question. What is the force between two small charged spheres having charges of 2 × 10 over -7 Coulomb and 3 × 10 over -7 Coulomb placed 30 centimeters apart in air? To solve this, first we note the given values. The charges Q1 and Q2 are given. The distance r is 30 centimeters, which is 0.30 meters. Since the medium is air, the constant 1/4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 × 10 raised to 9. We apply Coulomb's law, F equals 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q1 Q2 divided by r squared. Substituting the values, we find the electric force F to be 6 × 10 raised to -3n. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more content on electrostatics and other physics topics. Take care.